Have you ever wanted to create a video but didn't know how to remove the background behind you? Have you placed it in a particular environment where maybe you have like a newsroom behind you or have something behind you that really stands out? Well, I've got some really good news for you. I've discovered an AI that can remove the background for you in your videos, not just your images. Image background removal is a dime a dozen, but video background removal, that's a totally different animal. So if you want to learn a bit more about that, stick around to the end. Alright guys, let's go check it out. So what we're going to need to do is we're here in Canva. Now this is in fact a pro account, and for you to be able to do this, you will need a pro account. So it's not very expensive. We can go and have a look at the pricing if you want to. Now you can choose to do it yearly, which works out to be $164.99 a year in the pro account. And that gives you pretty much everything you'll ever need. If you want to include Teams in all this, then you can use Canva for Teams, which is $400 a year. Otherwise, you might want to go monthly, which then ends up being a lot cheaper. You end up having $19.99 a month if you're wanting to go pro, or $39.99 if you're wanting to go for the team. Now I'll leave a link for this in the description down below. Now, as I said, it does require a pro account, so I apologize for that in advance. But for you to be able to do this, let's quickly go and have a look at the actual Canva site itself. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to go over here to where it says videos. So you click on that, and then where down here you'll see it says edit your video with ease. So click on that, and that will open up this particular tab right here. Now, first thing you're going to need to do is go over here to where it says upload. So click on uploads, and as you can see, you've got your images, you've got videos and audio. Now I'm going to go over here to videos, and I'm going to upload a file that I already have ready. Now I'm going to just use this one here and pop that straight into here. Now one thing I will say is once the video comes in and you put it onto your screen here, what you need to do is wait for the progress bar to finish before you can actually do anything with it. So we're going to just pause the video until that happens. Okay, so now that it's finished, all we have to do is just click on it and that'll put it on the screen off here.
When it comes to actually removing it,
so I'm just going to pause the video. I don't need to hear myself talking. And all we need to do right now is put that up here and then drop this down to here. Now, I will let you listen to this. It only goes for 48 seconds, but what I'm saying in here is really poignant and important for you to listen to. So I'll add a little bit more to this at the end of it, but just listen to this, what I'm saying here.
When it comes to actually removing the background from your video, quite often you need to have either a green screen or a plain colored background behind you. I have a plain colored background behind me, but this can also work if you don't actually have a plain colored background behind you. Now another thing you really need to do is to make sure that your shirt or whatever you're wearing is a different color to what's behind you, because otherwise what's going to happen is you're going to end up having your shirt and the background disappear. So really what you're doing, by making sure that you wear something that's a different color, you're making it easier for the AI in Canva to be able to do the job it wants to do. So if you can wear a different colored shirt to the background, you'll be far better off.
Okay, then that we've done that. That was really important information there. Just otherwise, so as it makes it easier for you to do future videos. Now I constantly wear black shirts. I also have a black background. Now also, if you have something up close to you, like this particular chair, it will affect it. That's why I don't have a chair in the background that you can see. All you need to do is actually click on the video itself, and then here up here, these tabs open up. What you need to do is go over here to where it says edit video, and then all you have to do is hit remove background of your video with one click. So you just click on that, and what happened is it will then remove the background. So I'm just going to pause the video while this is progressing around, and once it's finished, we'll come back and have another quick look at it. There you go, it only took a couple of minutes. And here we go, we'll just have a look at it again. And have a look at the actual fact that it's removed the background.
When it comes to actually removing the background from your video, quite often you need to have either a green screen or a plain colored background behind you.
That's all, you don't need to listen to the entire thing, you've already listened to it. So there you go, there you have it. You can see that it does remove the background very nicely. And then all you need to do is download this video as an MP4. So you want to be able to have that as an MP4, and you can then have it as high quality as you can get it, and then you can just download it as is. So just going to download that, and it will be ready to go. Now I would suggest that you go on to maybe one of your own preferred video editing sites, and then you can add the background behind it if you wish to. I find it's not as easy to do that in Canva. You're better off doing that in your own video editor. Okay, so that's removing the background in Canva. That's what it looks like after removing the background and adding a new background to it. When it comes to actually removing a background from your video, quite often you need to have either a green screen or a plain colored background behind you. I have a plain colored background behind me, but this can also work if you don't actually have a plain colored background behind you. Alright guys, now if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this feature in Canva. Also let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Right here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now, if you click on that or poke me in the forehead with your finger, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and bye for now.